Welcome to the Yaka Digital Network. Successfully moving from secondary school to a professional career requires a strategy that maps out exactly how you intend to reach your goals. In this video, we are deconstructing a specific tool used to communicate that strategy, the career-oriented essay. This document is a requirement for many university admissions, scholarships, and professional sponsorships. Translating your goals into a formalized written plan shows the maturity of a professional. It provides evidence to a selection committee that you understand the specific educational steps required for your chosen field. To write this essay, you must first identify your route. In Uganda, further education branches into 3 distinct professional sectors. The academic pathway, seen here with researchers examining plant samples in a lab, focuses on theory and broad knowledge. This route leads to roles in medicine, law, or agricultural science. The TVET, or Technical and Vocational Education and Training Pathway, focuses on practical, hands-on skills. This technician working with mechanical gears represents the types of trades vital for national industrial growth. A third option is specialized certifications, short-term, intensive training programs designed to provide specific skills for the current job market. Identifying which branch aligns with your career is the first step in your essay. It shows a potential sponsor that you have a clear understanding of the educational landscape. After selecting your branch, you need to document the chronological steps required to reach your destination. Let's look at the academic pathway section of an essay for an aspiring agricultural pathologist. The journey begins short-term, mastering foundational O-level subjects like biology and chemistry. In the medium term, the student chooses A-level combinations, such as agriculture, aligning with university requirements. This leads to the long-term goal, a University Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, to begin professional research. Mapping these steps in your essay shows an evaluator that you are prepared for the methodical, step-by-step reality of your chosen field. A timeline shows you have a plan, but you must also provide a reason for a sponsor to support it. This is where you use a problem-solution argument. Identify a challenge in your community, like the cassava disease shown on the left. You then position your education as the solution, the means to achieve the healthy, productive results shown on the right. This logic perfectly supports the cost-benefit argument. You acknowledge the financial and time costs of university, but you contrast them against the long-term benefit of protecting national food supplies. Positioning your education as a response to a national challenge gives a selection committee a practical reason to support your application. These components form the framework of a career-oriented essay. The introduction defines your career goal, and the academic pathway details your timeline. The third section addresses potential challenges. Finally, the conclusion summarizes how your success contributes to the community. Practicing this 4-part structure prepares you to write other professional documents, such as a curriculum vitae or a formal statement of purpose. Organizing your ambitions into this logical sequence is what builds trust with professional audiences. Now try it yourself. Pause the video and write 2 sentences defining your specific career goal. Identify one S3 or S4 subject you are working on right now that serves as a prerequisite for that goal. Finally, write down one major challenge that professionals in your field currently face in Uganda. Review this framework to ensure your roadmap includes all the necessary phases and structural sections. Thank you for joining the Yaka Digital Network. Find more videos for all classes and access our full range of content at www.yaka.cc.